guys, it's Paula and I hope you are doing well. This video is going to be another little eye tutorial. I know I just posted one a few days ago or yesterday, but I was recently talking with my friend Makeup with Lisa. I'm going to link her channel in the cards if I can remember. She reminded me that we both own the Stila Glitter and Glow. Yes, Glitter and Glow Magnificent Metals in the shade Into the Blue. She actually reminded me that I might have accidentally convinced her to buy this. And she said, we should do a collab where we post a look together on the same day and do a tutorial on YouTube. And I said, that sounds like a ton of fun. I only used this like the one time. I did do another video using this product. I will link that one in the cards above as well. But I haven't used it since. And she had posted a look on Facebook a couple weeks ago and I loved it. I absolutely loved it. So I'm gonna actually try to recreate her look from Facebook using the products that I have here. So that's what's going on in this video today. My eyebrows are large and in charge. I feel like a Muppet or something right now. They're really bold. But all my other face makeup is already on, so let's get into it. I've already primed my eyes. I set them with an eyeshadow. And so next I'm gonna dig into ColourPop in the shade Kennedy. It's like a matte peachy color, and it is currently in my Peeping Pans project. And I'm gonna use my ColourPop brush that I just mentioned in my ColourPop tutorial video. And that's gonna be going up here really high. Ooh, that's pretty. I think this is my first time ever using this shadow. Holy cow. I put it in the project, the last update, because it's such a fun summery color. Although I really think this color will transition into the fall really nicely too if it's still in the project at that time. But I haven't had a chance to use it. I've just been so busy focusing on other eyeshadows. Holy cow, that's gorgeous. Kennedy. I think I bought this in a quad set, like a 4-pack that was like a peach themed quad. But I think it's also sold as a single. Okay, that looks decent. Okay, next I'm going to pull out an eyeshadow palette I've never used even once, and I am so excited. It is this Dose of Colors Ice Cream palette. I bought this right after Christmas last year in 2017, and this is my first time using it. It looks like this, and there's a gorgeous lavender shade right there that I'm going to be using, but there's a lot of nice shadows in here. I should be using this. And I'm going to use the same ColourPop brush. And I'm going to use this mirror here. And I'm going to be applying the lavender shade kind of right into my crease. I think I'm actually gonna apply this lavender shade all over my eyelid too. Okay, next I'm gonna go into my Smashbox Master Class. This is the one from 2 years ago, I think. I don't know if you guys have been on the Sephora website lately, but the one for this holiday season has already come out and it looks so pretty. It's similarly formatted to the Smashbox Master Class palette from the last holiday season, with lip products and cheek products. I just really like the way it looks. But anyways, back to this guy. There are two purple shades right here. They're both really dark. So I actually might be mixing them with this lighter lavender or this pink to kind of lighten them up a little bit. I'm not really sure what I'm gonna do actually. something using those 3 shades though. And I'm gonna be applying that right into my crease. And pray that it's not too dark. Okay, we're okay. It's all good. And I'm just gonna start blending this up and kind of mixing it in with that peach shade. I'm gonna try not to let this get too out of control. Oh, I kind of like the way that looks. I'm going to grab a pencil brush and apply one of those purples onto my lower lash line. Eek, I hope that wasn't too much. And I'm gonna grab some of this lavender shade from the Dose of Colors palette and kind of blend under that line. Okay, I'm not sure if that is exactly finished, but I think I'm ready to apply the Into the Blue shade from Stila and then fix what needs to be fixed. Let me do a little bit more here. I'm gonna apply this onto my finger and then tap it on with my fingertip. I think last time I applied it directly onto my eyelid, and although that worked fine, it was a little bit thick of a layer, like a thick layer instead of a thin one, so I'm gonna swipe with my ring finger and start patting it on. Oh golly, is this gorgeous. Ugh, I got some under my nail. Okay. Oh, you can't see me. I'm sorry, guys. And my light just went away. This shade is a little bit dark, like it's a little bit deeper of a color than I'm used to wearing. I generally tend to stick with lighter colors, but gosh, is that gorgeous? You could see the purple here, and then it's blue, and then it's like the purple and the blue shift is just so cool. All right, I'm gonna apply a brow bone highlight, which is that vanilla shade in my Baby Pan That palette. And I'm gonna put some of that on my inner corner as well, and kind of onto my eyelid just a little bit. And I'm gonna get my mirror back out. Did it just get really dark or what? How's it looking, guys? Okay, I am gonna go back in with Kennedy, that orange ColourPop shadow, and just kind of go through all the steps one more time to make sure nothing got lost, I guess is what I'm trying to say. Oh yeah. Oh, I'm just so much happier just adding that in right there. Okay. I hope I'm not covering up my face throughout this whole video. I'm gonna be really mad at myself. Probably am. I'm going in with the lavender. Okay guys, I think I'm done with the look. I'm really happy with everything, I think. I'm gonna add some eyeliner and mascara, and we'll see how it's looking. I'll be right back. Okay guys, it's only been 5 minutes since I've been gone, but I feel like a cloud is sitting right on top of my house and it's dark in here, so I apologize for that. All I did was I threw on some of that Marc Jacobs highliner in blacker into my waterline. I didn't add any eyeliner to my top line. I'm just leaving the eyeshadow as is, but I did add the same mascara as I added in my last video. So the Stila primer, the Lancome Grandiose, and the CoverGirl Clump Crusher. And I took my hair down and zhuzhed it up a little. I was at the pool earlier with the kids, so it's not a great hair day, but I think it looks a little bit better when it's down. And I am just amazed at how mascara and eyeliner can complete a look. I'm just so happy with this look and how it came out. I am so glad that Lisa inspired me to try. Oh.
Check to make sure that sneeze didn't get me. No.
Lisa, you totally inspired me to do this purple eyeshadow combination with the Stila Into the Blue. This is a blue and purple shifting shadow, so it makes sense to add the purple eyeshadow in, but I hadn't tried that yet, and when I saw Lisa's photo of it, I just loved the look. I also like the combination of the warm shade of Kennedy in my transition area with the cool shadows of blue and purple on my eyelid. I like mixing warm and cool in my looks when I can, so I really love that. This is the completed look. Let me scoot in. So that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.